Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. So today I will share with you what's happening in our building extension. Okay, I would say building extension because it's just beside our house. So our building extension, it's a 3-story building with a roof deck. So right now we are on the 26th week of the construction, and this is what's happening in our apartment. I'll tour you around in our building extension. So this is now the current state of the rooms, guys. So we're done with tilings. The stairs, landing stairs tilings are also done. The toilets and the floor tilings. So in the toilet, we still have to install the fixtures next week. We are on the painting stage right now. So this is the sliding door. The sliding door came from Korea. So the owners were Korean, so they're very hands-on. They were the ones who installed the sliding doors. So the sliding doors has a screen door as well. So as you can see, this is an old video, by the way, guys. This is the outlet. We have a universal outlet and another one at the side. I think this is a two gang. I am not so sure, but I'm sure there is a universal outlet. So I'm still working on if the contractor can provide an outlet with a USB outlet as well. So this is the drainage cover, which I really love. So it's a high quality drainage. And then this is the stairs right now, guys. They painted it with an automotive painting, primer first and then a black paint after, and then we still have to put a tiles on top. So these are wood panels. This is the base of the tiles, and I really love the contrast of colors. I'm still working on if we can change the color of the tiles to closer to this wood color. So you can see this that this is the drainage of the aircon connected to the balcony drainage. So it's very nice that they really connected it properly to the drainage. So I'm amazed at that. A few areas need some plastering, but basically more on painting. Okay, more on painting jobs now. Now we are on the roof deck. So this is what's happening on the roof deck. That is a 1,500 liters water tank. And we still have to put a water pump. So this is the sunset when I went there on the roof deck. So right now we are doing the drainage connection to the barangay main drainage. So we're still working on that. This is the base of the light. So this is a sample aluminum door, and this is a miniature, guys. In front of this there is a mirror. Okay, the contractor changed it to aluminum so that it will last longer compared to using a wood panels for the mirror for the door. Okay, so this is the latest facade of the building extension, and we are very excited to do the interiors. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you think of the construction. Okay, bye.